You played Monster Ball terrific today, son. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Daddy. Elmo had a lot of fun with Carly today.
Oh.
Well, she's a great friend.
Yeah, she sure is.
Elmo knows that Carly's mommy was away for a while, but now she's back. But Carly's mommy looks and acts different than she did before.
Yeah, Carly's mommy seems much healthier since she's been back.
Yeah. How come Carly's mommy had to go away?
Oh, well, son, Carly's mommy has a kind of sickness, and she had to get some help.
Sickness? Like when Elmo has the sniffles?
Oh, no, it's not that kind of sickness. Carly's mommy has a disease called addiction. Addiction makes people feel like they need a grown-up drink called alcohol or another kind of drug to feel okay. That can make a person act strange in ways they can't control.
But why doesn't she just stop?
Oh, it's not something you can just stop doing, not without help from the right grown-ups.
Daddy? Will Carly's mommy get better?
Oh, well, she's working hard on it. She's taking good care of her body and mind so she can stay healthy and make good choices.
Oh, good. Elmo's really happy for her.
Oh, me too, son.
Yeah.
Now, you want to show me how you bounce that monster ball?